Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to add and remove quick slots from your HUD. So we're going to start by going to the Blueprints folder, HUD, and we're going to open up Inventory HUD. And in here we have our quick slots down here. So I'm just going to copy one of these. So we'll do copy and then select the canvas panel and hit paste. And we've got our new slot here. So I'll roughly put that in place. We can also copy the number if we want to as well. So I'll just copy this and we can select the canvas panel, paste it and move it. Ooh, that's a bit awkward. We'll zoom in a little bit so I can see it, and we'll put it roughly in the same place. I'll change this to 7, not 67, 7, and we can try and get it in the same place as the other numbers, like that. Now we're going to select the slot that we just created, and I'm going to rename it to slot 7, and we'll compile that. And once that's compiled, we're going to go into the graph. And in here, we're going to go to the setup and then set quick slots / references. We'll go to the end here. We're just going to copy the bind quick slot, connect that up, and we'll get our quick slot 7. And we'll change the slot index to 6. We do 6 even though it's 7 because 0 counts as one of the slots. So this number will always be one less than the number of slots that you actually have. So for us that will be 6. We can compile that and we can close the HUD. We're going to go to our component, player inventory components, and in here in our class defaults we're going to go to interaction and we're going to change quick slot count to 6. Again, this is because 0 counts as one of the slots. So this will always be one less than the number of slots you actually have. So we'll change that to 6, give it a compile quickly, and we can close that. And we also want to make it so that if we press 7, it will equip to what's in that slot. So we'll go to Blueprints, Characters, Survival Character, and in here we're just going to go down to here. We're going to search for input 7, keyboard input 7, and we can copy and paste these nodes and plug that into Pressed, change this to 6, and after that we should be good to go. So we'll take a quick look to make sure it's worked. And we've got our 7th slot there, and we can double check to make sure we can equip stuff to it. So I'm pressing 7 now, and we can equip our 7th slot. So I'll quickly go through the process of removing a slot. It's pretty much the same, but the opposite of adding. We can go to our character, remove 7, compile that, then we'll go back to our components, inventory component, and we'll change this number back to 5, compile that. Something that some people might miss, which could cause an error in the inventory HUD, so we'll go there, is to remove the event we added. So we'll select our slot, we can just delete it, delete this 7, and we'll go over to the event graph, and we just need to delete the bind quick slot event, otherwise this might cause an error at runtime. So we can just delete that, compile it, and then once we jump in, we've only got our 6 slots again. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to do a quick video on this because a few people had asked me about it. So thank you for watching.